Jesus. Leading like Jesus. That's my first point. Leading like Jesus. And here I make the case for leadership of care. Leadership of care. Leadership of love. And leadership of compassion. Three things: love, care, and compassion. Our Lord declares in John 10:11, I am the good shepherd. And this presupposes that there are bad shepherds. Whilst there are good leaders, there are also bad leaders. Example is this. Today, the Christian church is really under bad leadership in certain areas. And these are people who do not care about church growth and expansion. They are bloated with power. They just enjoy being there. They enjoy the power. They don't care whether the church grows or not. They are bloated with power. They do not have a systematic plan for church growth. They are threatened by the personality and expertise of those that serve under them. They listen to nobody but themselves. Because they position themselves as demigods. The people around them are afraid to tell them when they go wrong. In mythical language, this can be expressed like this: the king is naked, but the people around him are afraid to say so. And before you know, they have destroyed themselves and run down the system. What the church needs today are leaders cast in the mold of Jesus Christ. I mean, leaders cast in the mold of Jesus Christ, who is the good shepherd. Now, many a time you hear that people are disenchanted with the church. They are disenchanted with the guilt. Because when they were sick, nobody visited them. And because they don't visit them, they drift away to places where their pastoral needs are met. Now, if people complain that they don't visit them, we shouldn't take their complaints for granted. We must respond swiftly to them. A responsible leader, a good shepherd, must take visitation of the flock seriously. At all times, he or she should be able to say, I know my sheep, and my sheep know me. If you don't visit them, they won't know you, and you won't know them. But as a good shepherd, you should be able to say that I know my sheep, and my sheep know me. DMS, Salome Live. I suggest that you evolve a policy that will enable shepherds in this diocese to visit the flock as a matter of duty. This is how you can maintain membership and position yourself to reach out to others.